Okay, buddy. Okay. Besides that ludicrous line, this show is actually worth your attention. Go is a coming-of-age South African Netflix show that follows the 17-year-old sprinter Sia Bolt Gumede, who receives the opportunity to attend a prestigious school after doing some pretty messed up stuff. The show has interesting, compelling characters, an amazing storyline, fire music, and it just looks freaking gorgeous. Bolt is an inner city kid who gets stuck between two worlds while being haunted by his previous actions. His family is not well off, but they also aren't struggling, so he's in that weird middle where it's hard to fit in with either side. On one side, he's a cheese boy in exchange, and on the other,
It's a charity case over here.
he's under enormous amounts of pressure, constantly fighting for his life, or should I say, running for his life. And you can pretty much say the same for the other characters on the show as well. Speaking of other characters, let's talk about my favorite character on the show, Mandla Minglu's. I mean, sure, Bolt is the main character, but Mandla is the heart of the show, man. Bolt's best friend and biggest supporter who goes through under something traumatic because of Bolt. Otherwise, he's a chatterbox, a vibe, funny as hell, and the life of the party, man, and the show. He's the one who's gonna have you smiling at the screen like an idiot. You know who's gonna piss you off though? I mean, I can think of a couple of people, but let's not talk about her. She's just weird, man. I really want to talk about the nepo baby, Archie, the rich, self-entitled kid who gets everything handed to him on a silver platter and wants everyone to suck up to him. He wants to be the main man so badly, but in reality, he's just...
Not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
He's like 20% talent and 80% audacity. This show is 100% must watch. The casting goes crazy, the actors actually have chemistry, and the performances are just seamless. There's this one scene where Bolt's girlfriend Ntobeko confronts him about something. They were cooking. They went aura for aura on that scene. Shout out to the DOP and the director, man, because the look of the show is something to marvel at. Also, they put that lighting to work. It's easily my favorite South African show of the year so far, but I'm not hearing much noise about it. And I'm also not hearing much about a second season. Netflix, come on, bro. Come on.
Something might come. Something young.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. And comment down below other shows you think are underrated.